What's up, guys? This is Galaxy Fang, back with another video. And before we start, the person who gave me, I bought this from, wanted me to shout the restaurant out, so here we go. Country's Chicken. Country's Kitchen, I mean. I have chicken on the mind for some reason. Either way, let's get on today's video. Today we will be unboxing Sword & Shield Fusion Strike Elite Trainer Box. It has a picture of you on it. And today's question is, what is your favorite psychic type Pokemon? Mine has to be Slowpoke. Every trainer box has a book about how to play the game, what cards you could get. Okay. Oh, here's another little book. Oh, same thing. It shows you how to play the game. Alright, that's nice. And here's the sleeves. If I find a rare card, we're putting it in here. Oh, a free QR code at the start. If you want to, you can pause the videos and these. Either way. And it comes with dice. Dice. Here we go. Oh, I like this one. It's kind of cute. Look, it has a little Mew tail on it. That's cute. Either way, we have some packs in here. And, fair enough, in this pack, there's only energies, like what to power up. So we could skip those for now. Because let's get on to this video. Today we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these, and each of them comes with 10 cards. Alright. Let's go! Let's see what our first pack gets us. Let me try moving the camera in a little closer. Hope everyone's having a great day. Let's start this off with the QR code. Okay, we got Swaddle, Skarmory, Jinx, Manti, Grubbin. Oh, we got a holo. Is that holo? Yeah. Gligar. Plus Latios. Psychic Energy. A Special Energy. Turtonator. And Pukamuko. Hukamuko. Either way, let's open the next pack. Either way. QR code. And let's start. We got a Smeargle. We got a Carva. A Fusion Strike Clamperl. Morcapico. A Single Strike Skarmory. A Holo of Simisage. Oh, we got a Toxtricity Fusion Strike. That's a nice background, I'm not gonna lie. A Fighting Energy. Ninetales. Toka Tomorrow. Took me a second to think of that. And an item. For some reason, every time I get to that Pokemon's name, my brain wants to blank on it. Okay, next card. QR code. Galarian Corsola, which I love Corsolas. Quillfish. Vulpix. Chansey. Galarian Zigzagoon. A Holo of Delcatty. Oh, we got a Fusion Strike Dragapult. That's pretty cool. We got Electric Energy. We got an item. We got a Rapid Strike Lopunner. We got a Single Strike Hummy-Humma. This is my assistant, the vacuum. If you're wondering what this is, it's just a vacuum handle. I thought of moving it, but then I was like, no, I'm just going to keep it there for people to wonder what that is. Next pack, we got a QR code. And we got a Fusion Strike Shelmet. Rapid Strike Plusle. With a mining in the background, if you could see that. I do not know how to say this one's name. We got a Meowth. A Meryl. A Holo of a Bunnelby. That's a nice. We got Single Strike Electrode. Wait, Electrode? Ain't this supposed to be Voltorb? Or is... No, it is right. Grass Energy. Sharkpedo. Heliolisk. Dunsparce. Sorry if I'm just moving the camera, I'm just trying to see what the best angle is. Next pack. QR code. Okay, we got Mankey, Clauncher, Growlithe, Snuffle, Don't know how to say its name, but we have it. We got Impotent Single Strike. We got Apollo Sun. We got a Dark Energy. Breloom. An item of a Fusion Strike. Garbodor. Okay, next pack. Alright. QR code. We got Confident Elephant Single Strike. We got another Impotent Single Strike. We got a Snom. Onyx. Jigglypuff. Oh, we got a holo, I think, of Growlithe. Oh, we got another Toxtricity, but it's a different form of it. That's cool. We got a Psychic Energy, a Special Energy, we got a Support, and we got Dreadnought. That's probably who's been eating all the Thanksgiving turkey this year.
I'm not supposed to.
Okay, next pack. After this, we have one left. Ooh! I'm good. Alright. We got a QR code. Alright. We got Voltorb. Oh, Single Strike. We got Pansage. We got Clefant. Single Strike. We got a Gligar. A Slugma. A Mudvile. Oh, we got a Tyranitar V. Oh, yeah. That is nice. Alright, right. We got a Fighting Energy. We got a item of a Fusion Strike crossover. We got Slugood. We got Clawzert. If you're wondering why I'm standing up, these fell down. Sorry for that inconvenience. Okay, last pack. Wish us luck. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. It really helps. And if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. It's red, so turn it white. Like the shirt I'm wearing. If you can see that, it's white. Okay. We got a QR code. Okay, we got a Gligar. We got a Slugma. We got a Skitty. We got Flinks. Aww, we got him chewing, and he's mad. We got Volbit. We got Zoro, I think that's how you pronounce his name. We got a Fire Energy. We got Graplock. We got Diggersby. We got a Support. And that's all. Thank you all for watching this. Thank you all. And I wish you a great day. This is Galaxy Fang saying you gotta catch 'em all.